Hi, this is Patricia Gonzalez. Well, today I'm showing so far what I've done on Adobe Captivate. I'm going to show really quick some of my slides because I have a lot of slides right here. So I'm going to show really quick some of the slides that have content for video and sound. So this one will look something like this.
The world of QR codes using Unitag.
So working with the timeline was a big challenge because I had to click on the title so I will put a certain time to appear and then the effect. So it was quite a challenge to build up the master slide and the effects that I wanted for each slide. Let me show you this one. So this is pretty much what it is just it will show you a video. Let me go ahead and cancel it because that's the visual and the video. And then the next one, I have the avatar, and then I have the poster that I created with the Canva, and that I will be either printing out or just projected on a any device that I have, so kids can follow instructions uh, as of how to download the applications that they're gonna need for the project.
Before we can begin creating and scanning QR codes, you will need to download a QR scanner. Please follow the simple steps.
Okay. I highly dislike my voice recorded, but I mean, I had to try it somehow. On this next slide, what I have is it was quite a challenge again working with the timeline because I have to record and then place the pictures and then look closely at what time did I mention some things so I could make the picture appear at that time that I'm discussing about that. And let me show you really quick.
To create a QR code, first you will go to unitag.io. In there, you should be able to create your account. After you do so, click Start and create a QR code. Then select Web and Social Media. Then select Static. Second step is to customize. In there, you should be able to pick from templates, colors, logo, eyes of the QR code, and many other options to explore. Let's say you would like to create a QR code that gives you immediate access to a video. You go to the YouTube video, copy the URL, and paste it into your destination URL. Then click Confirm. That's it, your QR code is ready. Make sure you test it before you print it out. Then click Save and Close.
Okay, so this was quite a challenge, like I said, on creating that because it was hard to set a timer to all of the slides. So this is another project that I have, which is make a movie with iMovie.
How to make a movie with iMovie.
And that's pretty much it. In this slide, I do the same thing. I time the pictures to appear according to what is mentioned in the video. This as well, this is a video created from me, and this is the actual I show the steps on how to use the iMovie. What's the step 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they appeared in sequential order. And this is a testing that I included for the students to take as a whole class or individually, and just to make sure that they understand if I have to reteach anything that I have to reteach, just to make sure that they understand everything that they have to do. My subjects I have 4 subjects to do. These are 2 of them. I have 2 more to go. So this is a big accomplishment so far because working with Captivate has been quite a challenge, like I said, but it just takes a lot of playing with it and takes a lot of practice. Thank you.